Welcome to Health Advice TV. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for a quick stretch, this session is perfect to wake up your body and mind. Yoga is about connecting your breath with movement, so take this time to relax. Breathe deeply. Let's start by sitting comfortably. Take a deep breath in, raise your arms overhead, and stretch tall. Exhale. Bring your hands down slowly. Repeat this a few times, syncing your breath with the movement. Now, let's gently stretch the sides of the body. Place your right hand on the mat, inhale, and stretch your left arm overhead. Exhale as you lean to the right. Feel that gentle stretch along your side. Inhale back to center and switch sides. Now comes cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees for cat-cow pose. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. This is your cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tucking in your chin and tailbone into cat pose. Flow between these two poses a few times, warming up your spine. Here comes the downward dog and forward fold pose. Simply tuck your toes under and push up into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, press into the mat, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel free to pedal your feet to stretch your calves. Remember to keep breathing. Now we'll discuss forward fold pose. Walk your hands toward your feet and slowly rise into a forward fold. Relax your neck, let your arms hang down, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Inhale deeply, then roll up slowly. Here comes warrior pose flow, and it has two types. Step your right foot forward into warrior one. Ground your back heel, raise your arms overhead, and feel strong in this position. Inhale, reach tall, and exhale into warrior two, opening your arms and hips to the side. Now, let's switch sides. Step your left foot forward, moving into warrior one, then open into warrior two. Feel the strength and energy flowing through your body. Now we'll discuss closing stretches. This means move into child's pose. To cool down, let's move into child's pose. Bring your knees wide, toes together, and sit back onto your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a few deep breaths here, letting go of any tension. Finally comes relaxation pose. Sit cross-legged for a final stretch. Finish in a seated position. Close your eyes, place your hands on your knees, and take one last deep breath in and out. Feel the calm and energy. Remember, listen to your body. If something feels too intense, take it slow. Modify the poses to suit your comfort level. Even a short yoga practice like this can have a big impact on your energy and well-being. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on Health Advice TV.